Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to solve another Leetcode problem that is a single number. So let's get started. So as per the problem statement, given a non-empty array of integers, every element appear twice, okay, and except one, okay, and find that single number. So problem statement is very simple. In the given array, as you can see, like example number one. One number is repeated twice, like 2, and we need to find a single number which is non-repeated, that is 1. So output will be 1. Similarly, for example number 2, 4, 1, 2, 1 and 2 are repeating numbers. So we need to find a single number, that is 4. And example number 3, if my array contains only one element, then we need to return the same. Okay. So we are going to implement this solution into the Java. So I'll just copy this method name and paste it in our IDE, that is Eclipse. So I have already created one class. So I'm just pasting that number. So you can see like this number is taking input as a list of uh, uh, numbers, means array, and it returning a single number. Okay, integer value. So I'll create integer result first equal to 0 and then return uh, the same value as of now. So to implement this solution, we are going to use a collection framework. In the collection, we are using a set. As you know that the set is not storing the duplicate element. So that's the reason we are using set. Set. So set of integers. Okay. Name it as HM is equal to new hash set. Okay. So I just created a variable. Uh, So after that, what I am going to do, I am iterating this input array. Okay. So by using the for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot length. Correct? I plus plus. Okay. So what I'm writing the logic first and then I'll explain to you. Hm dot contains nums of current number of I. And what I'm going to do, I'm removing that particular element. Of I. Okay. Else what I'm going to do, check add, then the result over matching what generated dot paste. Okay, so I have done with my solution. Let's get so I'll explain what I have done here. So I'm just copying this input array. Uh, first, let's example number one. So so here what will happen initially, my array size is 3, correct? So the first element, the first condition, hm dot contains my first zeroth position element is 2. My initially my array is empty, correct? So this condition got failed. So it goes to the else part. So in my hm, what will be the value got stored? 2. Again, a second time, what will happen? HM that contains the same number. If contains that same number, I'm going to remove that particular number. Okay. After that, again for the iteration number 3, HM that check will it will check whether that number is present. If it is not present, then it will add. Okay. Then finally, what we are done here. So we are returning just integer value, whatever the first in this set object. Okay, hm dot iterator dot next. So we got that integer value and we are returning the same. Okay, let's compare for this example number two. Example number two, what will happen for example number two? 4 is non-repeating, then 4 will be stored, 1 and 2 got removed. Okay. For example number 3, what will happen if my array contains only one element? We need to handle that condition, correct? So what we gonna do if sorry, if nums of I uh, dot length, sorry, dot length equal to only one element, then African, mm, 0. Okay. Okay, our solution is ready. I'm just copying this logic and paste it over the lead code. Let's try it. Yeah. So all the test cases got accepted. So we have done our solutions. Okay. So uh, so we are using like a set framework and a for loop for to iterating purpose. So it's taking too much time complexity if we are checking like time and space complexity. But we can do this solution by using the bitwise operation as well. So next video we will solve this same solution by using the bitwise operator. Okay, thank you. Please do like and subscribe.